welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look right here. It's like a blue dark eye with this nude glossy lip. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off by using my Photo Finish Primer and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. And using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium to clean up my eyebrows. And using the same concealer to prime my eyelids and setting that with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And using my JH32 to apply my crease shade. And using my JH40 to apply the shade Mojo. Using my JH41 to apply this blue lid shade and spraying it with some Mario Badescu. Using my L'Oreal eyeliner to tightline and my Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick in the shade Y375 for my foundation. Again, using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium to highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and forehead.
Invincible.
Using my Laura Mercier powder to bake underneath my eyes and set the rest of my face using the JH01. Using my JH02 brush and my Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 300 to bronze my face. For blush, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match in the shade Spiced Plum and my Milani blush in the shade Luminoso. Using the JH40 and the same shade Mojo to apply that underneath my lash line. Using my JH37 and this eyeshadow color to blend out the previous shade. using my L'Oreal Million Lashes to apply my lower lash mascara. And my Amrezy x Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter to highlight.
Here we go.
Using my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton and the Dose of Colors gloss in the shade Brio. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos.